Hi guys, I'm in Monster Cafe. I'm a hacker hunter. I'm gonna search for hackers to prove if they're real or fake. For example, this girl right here. Let's see if she's real or fake. The black creepy dolly. Lol. Fake probs. Okay. 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 Great. Yes. Be friends. Whatever. I don't care. Come on, be friends. Hey. Hey. I said chat. Yeah. So I'm gonna chat with. Hi. Oh my god. MSP is so laggy. Yeah. I MSP is like so laggy, I can't even record. Like, okay, wait, oh my god, it's so laggy, just forget this. Okay, accept friend request, sure thing, XX, whatever. So, oh my god, to be, what? Okay, yes, obviously, yeah. Anyway, you can. Okay, we're just waiting for this lag to, like, I don't know. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm just waiting for a hacker, man. Just waiting. Just waiting, man. OML, do. Yes, of. What? Someone's online dating with me, lol. Anyway, who do you think you are online dating? Man. Okay, wait. Okay, so yeah, YouTube. Oh, cringe. Okay. Alright. What? I can't. You don't go. Okay, let's go horror cafe, man. If we find it. If we don't find it, we have to wait here. Oh my god. Can't even record in this. Seriously. Lag. So annoying. Oh, cringe. I'm back. Okay. We found one. Yay. Finally. Waiting like for 10 minutes or I don't know. I am back. Ha. Whatever. I don't care. Yeah. I want to be friends, obviously. Okay. Bye. Bye. Oh my god. The lag. Just hurry up. Lag. Okay. Hi. Yeah. I wrote hi, mate. Oh my god. Just come on. Oh my. Oh my god. I'm actually so scared. Oh my god. Fake. Fake. I'm calling bids fake on this. They always say hello child. Haha, very funny man. They're acting like they're not one themselves. So don't know why she's trying. But fake. Come on. Bids. This is fake. Come on. Fake. You recording? No. Wait. I'm not gonna say no. So can come on, fake hacker. She obviously knows I'm recording because people record when they're hacker hunting. So yeah, probably just yeah. Come on. You're recording, aren't you? She just said that. So I don't know if she actually can see my screen because I don't know, man. What is she talking about? You're exposed. Oh, very funny, man. I'm not gossiping. Kind of, I don't know. But this is scary as hell. She's guessing. Look at this. Dumb. Wait. Can you? Wait, I can block this. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god, guys. I think this is actually real. I actually think this is real. I'm gonna cover up my camera for safety. Oh my god. She actually can hear me. Are you actually kidding me? Okay. Take your time, I don't know. Take your time. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. I'm going in your... Okay, I'm going in your account. Okay. Let's see what this hacker has to say. Even though she guessed what I said. Even though... I don't know. This is kind of creepy right now. Oh my god, this is kind of creepy. She knows what I said. Oh my god. Okay, okay, what the hell? Okay, I'm going. Wait, okay, I'm going. What? Go on your account. Okay. Okay, you can go in my account, whatever. As she can hear me, obviously she can hear me talk now. I think, yeah. So, okay, take your time, I don't care. OMG, guys. I'm so scared, guys. So, yeah, guys. I'm going now, so, yeah. Take your time, Hacker, I don't care. Okay, yeah. While we're waiting to... so she can hit me. Oh my god. There's lots. OMG. Is she allies with silence is never a good sign. What? the hell? Guys, this is actually a real hacker. Bye guys, beware. Bye guys, see you in part 2. I will just make another account because it's a new account anyway. Bye guys.